Today, let me introduce you to an extraordinary woman whose story is a masterclass in resilience, reinvention, and radiant positivity. Meet Dr. Rajalakshmi S.J., a dentist, disability rights activist, fashion model, and TEDx speaker from Bengaluru. She's not just breaking stereotypes, she's smashing them with style and a smile. In 2007, at the age of 21, Rajalakshmi was en route to Chennai to present a research paper when a devastating car accident changed her life. The driver fell asleep at the wheel, and the resulting crash left her with a severe spinal cord injury, rendering her paraplegic. For someone who had been a trained classical dancer and an aspiring model, this was a crushing blow. But here's where the plot thickens. Instead of succumbing to despair, Rajalakshmi chose to rewrite her narrative. After 6 months of hospitalization and numerous surgeries, she embraced her new reality with courage and determination. Despite the physical and emotional challenges, Rajalakshmi returned to her studies and earned a gold medal in her Master of Dental Surgery (MDS) program. Facing employment discrimination due to her disability, she didn't back down. Instead, she established her own dental clinic, proving that barriers are meant to be broken. Beyond her personal achievements, Rajalakshmi is a staunch advocate for disability rights. She founded the SJ Foundation, which works to improve the lives of disabled and underprivileged individuals. As a certified wheelchair service peer trainer with the World Health Organization (WHO), she helps select appropriate wheelchairs for those in need. She's also an assistant professor at the Government Dental College in Bangalore and conducts free dental health camps in schools. Rajalakshmi's advocacy extends to legal battles as well. And in a landmark case, the Karnataka High Court ordered Air India to pay her Rs 20 lakh in compensation for failing to provide adequate facilities for her as a disabled passenger. This victory was not just personal, it set a precedent for better treatment of disabled individuals in India. Dr. Rajalakshmi S.J.'s life is a testament to the power of resilience and the human spirit. She transformed personal tragedy into a platform for change, inspiring countless others along the way. Her story reminds us that with determination and a positive outlook, we can overcome even the most daunting challenges. So, the next time next time you think something is impossible, remember Dr. Rajalakshmi S.J., the dentist, the model, the activist, and the unstoppable force of nature. For more such inspiring real stories, do subscribe the channel. Let these incredible stories light a fire within us and remind us to see our own lives through a lens of strength and possibility.